located southeast of Manila, about an 1 hour flight, is named after a Spanish conquistador. America colonized in 1900. This is a beautiful tropical island which is hot, hotter and hottest, and wet, wetter and wettest, as the temperature ranges throughout the year from 29 to 32 degrees Celsius, and rainfall 165 to 485 millimeters per month depending on the season. What I am viewing now is the Mount Mayon volcano. This is the most symmetric volcano in the world, located in Alme province near Legazpi city. This mountain has erupted at least 49 times in the last 400 years when the counting started. Its elevation is 2463 meters, which is 8081 feet, and is considered stratovolcano, meaning a complete volcano capped by a central summit crater. The age of the rock is considered to be about 20 million years old. The first recorded eruption was 1616 AD, and the last one was November 2014. I expected I will be lucky to see the eruption, but alas, November, about 3 months back, it's over, and I was not fortunate. Now, I came here about 6 o'clock in the morning to see, but the sun is already set, and I missed the sunrise. You can see the beauty of the boat.
See that mountain?
The sun is already there, and yet one can see the moon. That is the beauty of this island. No matter which direction you look at, it is just beautiful. They get 10 to 15 typhoons or hurricane per year. My guide says they're not worried, they're used to it. Another angle. Of the beauty of the volcano, with the road lined by coconut trees that are dwarf, and I did see quite a bit of coconut. This is called as the Sleeping Mount Lion Mountain. One can see the housing in this area. Looks so nice and beautiful, but it is hot. This is the port in Legazpi. Mostly the commercial ships come, no passenger ones. No matter where you go in the island, you can see the beauty of the volcano. Here is the bunch of children watching this. Cagsawa ruins. The first church was built in 1616 and then rebuilt, but an eruption in 1814 destroyed quite a bit. Now it is in ruins. What is seen is the bell tower of the church, and the lava that came down is the one responsible for all the damage that occurred at the time. Apparently no one died, as the priest told the people to leave the church as of the incoming lava, and only the buildings got severely damaged, and since then it is maintained as ruins, as a symbolic. But as the church is destroyed that existed here with the altar in the back, no services are held. Now it is just a tourist spot. But on the other side there are some more ruins are present, including the mayor of this town lived in that area. At the present time renovation is going on to clean up and develop as a park for the tourist visit. These are other parts of the ruins. One can still see the lava sand that is black in color from the previous eruptions. Additional view of the church that was once damaged. The bell tower. More closer view of the volcano. The black spots are the lava that flew. Now one can see the smoke coming out, but it is not possible to climb up to see the crater. And further, the fact that it is green, that even after eruption, in between the vegetation can grow. And the eruptions is not always huge, and there is a catchment area of 4 to 6 kilometers, and most often the town is not disturbed and the people don't vacate. However, they have had an eruption followed by a typhoon that caused huge flooding. At one time there is also an earthquake on this island. Now it is very peaceful. Religion always is an asylum for all disasters, either natural or man-made. No wonder in this beautiful occasion, with all as what has happened with the destruction, one can see the symbolism that has promoted faith among the people, as the Spanish converted the locals into Catholicism, and currently 85% of the population are Catholics in Albay province, and for that matter quite a bit in the Philippine nation. The middle of it is a orchid nursery, and these orchids are grown in coconut shell and hang. Is it not a beautiful orchid? I had never seen one. I thought it's natural until I was told it is silk. Some orchids just hang with the roots, exposed to absorb moisture. Trust me, this is natural. Some more beautiful plants and along with orchids. Another beauty. I left at 6 a.m. Now it's about 9:10 a.m. and the clouds have already encircled the volcano. And at the nearest point, as the volcano is still active, from the crater one can see the red flame. But unless there is an eruption, the lava does not flow out, and at a distance one cannot see it, and that's why I'm not able to film that. Further, it's not possible to climb up to the crater.